Okay. Okay. Please student join fast. Okay. We will start the session or wait for 5 minutes. Yes. Yes, Aishwarya.
Yes, ma'am.
Wait for 5 minutes. Yes. Shubham. Okay. We will wait for 5 minutes. Student are joining. Okay. Yes. My screen is visible. My screen is
Yes,
visible.
yes, ma'am.
Okay. We will start our session. Good afternoon, everyone. Hello. And say good afternoon, everyone.
Good
Yes.
afternoon, ma'am.
Okay. We will see our before Diwali data type in Python. Yes. Collection data type in Python. And there's type, sequence type, string, list, tuple. Me audible? Everyone? Yes. Me audible?
Ma'am.
Okay. Sequence type, string, list, tuple, set, dictionary. Okay. Next, we will see variables. Yes, variables in Python. And they're having this most important point, token, Python token. Pillars of the every programming language. Yes. Identifier, literals, keywords, identifier, literals, operator. Okay. Next one, Python tokens, keyword, their explanations. Okay. And then we will move for our control structure. Okay. Yes, everyone, girls side. We will start the session. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Control structure, if else statement. Okay. First, what is the control structure? Yes. Anybody? Some of the decision. Okay. The control structure means some of the decision taking. Some of the decision we will take. Yes. If suppose in natural, in simple example, in regular basis. Okay. If if it is raining in outside, if you are go if I want to go outside to bring some of the vegetables or some of the shopping, yes, but uh, it's rainy season. Okay, it's rainy outside the home. Okay, then what we will do, sit into inside. Yes, else we will go outside to play any game or play shopping. Okay, yes, it is meant by decision making statement. Okay, if else statement, nested if statement means some of the perform some of the decision. Okay, For example, if suppose you take some of the decision, okay, I want to play cricket, go outside and I want to play cricket. Then you go outside, play cricket. Else, if rainy season rain occur in this playing cricket, then sit inside to home. Yes, okay. Some of the decision. If you take some of the decision maker, okay, that's like control structure, if statement, if else statement, and nested if statement. Okay, we will see the first syntax of if statement. Okay, we will go for if statement first. Hello, hello, what happened? uh, Everybody listen carefully. Control structure means if you take some of the decision. Okay, all of you know about C language. You taking decision making statement, if statement, if will statement. Yes, same like this C language. Okay, no anybody, no nothing will be changed in theory part. Okay, but in practical we will having some of the changes. Okay, we will see. Yes, all of you see my screen. Yes, yes. If first we will take the syntax, condition and indentation. Go here, write it curly block of code, block of code, block of code. Okay, yes, all of you write it. This syntax, we will go for one next statement, simple if statement. Okay, take it, write it, syntax of if statement. All of you, Aishwarya, Shivani, Arti, all of you write down the syntax of if statement. Okay, yes, and then else, then if else statement. Suppose I want to go outside, but sometimes rain is occur. Then else statement execute. Okay, yes, all of you understood? Hash block of code. Okay, all of you write it, take it screenshot of syntax. Okay, yes, all of you take it screenshot of it. Yes, okay. We will take the simple example of if statement. Okay, plus please give me reply in between. Okay, yes, if you understood, or if suppose you don't understood any point, give me the reply of the message. Okay, I will check it in between. Okay, yes, all of you understood the syntax of if statement and if else statement. Yes, yes, everybody. Okay, then we will move for our program, our first program. Okay, if statement, if hash if statement variable is equal to 10. Okay. Then if variable is equal to 10, then print value of variable is 10. Okay. And then by print by, because loop is executed. Okay. By. Okay. Save this file. Save as. Yes. Bansode. TY03. Okay. TY. TY. ATY03.py. Yes, extension with py, and run it, run the module. Okay, all of you see this screen. Value of variable is 10 and by. Okay, yes, yes, hello. Simple if statement. Okay, if only use if statement and print it. Okay, if suppose here 19. Okay, and save this file and run it, run the module by. Why it is you execute by statement here? Yes, anybody tell me why? Because variable is equal to 90 and variable is equal to 10, means variable is 90 is equal to 10, then value should be not in 19. Okay, then you print it by statement. Okay, this statement not executed because variable is equal to 90. Variable is equal to 10. No. Yes. Yes. Am I right? Am I right? Yes. Then you write it here. Not is equal to 9, 10. Then save this file. Run it. Run the module. Value of variable is 10 and by. Okay. All of you understood this point? Yes. Yes. All of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then we will move for our next if else part. Okay, if else part, we will take the program of write a program if person are eligible for vote or not. Okay, this is our program statement. Okay, file, new file, save, close it this file, and first of all save this file, save as uh, save as Trusty Binge. Okay. Binge ty.py. Okay. Okay. Write the command first. Write a program person eligible for vote or not. Okay, all of you understood the program statement. What is our program statement? Yes, tell me, what is our program statement? Yes,
Person eligible for vote or not.
yes. Then what will we do right now? Age. Age. Okay, you take the age first. Okay, person age is important. Okay, first take 80, 58. Okay, first we will take static input. Okay, then we will take if age greater than is equal to 18. Okay, print person eligible for vote. Okay, then else print person not eligible for vote. Okay, yes, everybody understood this point, and then run the module. Yes, person eligible for vote. Yes, why it is take person eligible for vote? Because age is equal to 58. Yes, then you write it, age is equal to 6. Then what happened here? Sorry, person not eligible for vote. Okay, yes, everybody understood what is the program statement and what will we do right now? Yes, boys, girls. Yes, if you are having any query, write it here. Yes, student, don't keep silent. Please speak up. Ganesh, Sudarshan, Rushikesh, Ruturaj. Yes, all of you understood? All of you understood
Yes,
the
ma'am.
program? Okay. But I want to user choice. Okay. I want to user choice. Input from the user. What we will take? I want to user choice. Okay. I want to insert 58, 59, not the static input. Okay. Then what will we do right now? Yes. What will we do right now? Yes. Input. Okay. Input function take for user input. Okay. Enter a number. Okay. Enter a age of person. Okay. Okay. And then run it, save it and run it. Why it is take the type error. Why? Anybody tell me why it is take a traceback error here? Yes. Anybody tell me in Marathi? It is okay. No any problem. Please speak up because of almost all session are our interactive session. Please speak up. No any problem. Any issue we will handle here. No any issue for the stay keep silence. Please speak up. What will the error here?
मॅम
Type.
कंडिशन
Yes.
इन्व्हर्टेड कॉमा पाहिजे.
Yes. But listen carefully. You are here supported between instances of string, str and int. Okay. See here. लक्षात ठेवा सगळ्यांनी. इथे टाइप एरर आलेली असते ना ती लक्षात ठेवायची. ओके. Here is our error is occurring here. Okay. But why? Because of type error greater than is equal to not supported between string and int. Why? Because of you take the input from string. Okay. A string input. We will take the string. But I want to convert it into integer. Okay. Yes. इनपुट हे फक्त स्ट्रिंग इनपुट घेत करतं. ओके. आपण कन्वर्ट केलं त्याला इंटिजर मध्ये नाहीये केलेलं. आहे का केलेलं? नाही. ओके. फर्स्ट वी विल कन्वर्ट इट इन इंटिजर म्हणजे युजर म्हणजे प्रोग्रामर इनपुट इंटिजर पण करू शकतो. ओके. येस. सेव्ह दिस फाईल. रन इट. आता रन करा. 35% eligible for vote. Okay. What is your name? Tell me. Yes. Aishwarya or Komal? Who said reply for my question right now? What is your name?
मीनाक्षी पाटील.
Yes. Good one, Meenakshi. Yes. We will convert. लक्षात ठेवा इंटिजर इंट आपण घेतो कशासाठी? We will convert the string into integer. Okay. We will convert our string input to integer. Okay. Yes. Everybody understood what is the error here?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Yes, everybody. Because we will input only string format. Okay. But I want to enter the integer also. That's why we will convert int input, enter the age of the person. Okay. Yes, everybody understood? Okay. 10. Sorry, person is not eligible for vote. Okay. Yes, everybody to do the program of even odd number. Okay. Yes, everybody clear the idea of the if else statement.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. You able to perform, all of you able to perform even odd number? Yes. All of you, boys side, please reply the question. Yes. You are able to run the program of even odd number? Yes. Please give me reply yes or no. Why are so much silent? Yes, Aarti, Meenakshi, Shruti. B division, Shreya. All of you, yes. Take it 15 minutes time. Implement the write a program even odd number. Yes, if number is even, print it even number. If it is odd number, enter your user choice. Enter the odd number. Okay, all of you understood the problem statement? Yes. Yes, everybody. Shreya,
Yes, ma'am.
Priyanka,
Yes, ma'am.
boys side, Rushikesh, Ganesh, Rupnath, Shub. Yes, you are able to run the program. All of you write a program even odd number. Okay, understood the problem statement? Yes, Shreya. Okay, and share your screen. Okay, I make you co-host and you able to share your screen. Okay, Aishwarya, all of you perform the program and then we will move for our Saili. Okay, Saili, Priyanka, Aishwarya, perform the program. Okay. Please give me reply in chat also. It's okay. Over program. Program is over. Yes. Listen carefully. Only little bit change in even odd number. Okay. Yes. All of you complete the program. Even odd number. Yes. Vaishnavi, Akanksha, Sonal. Yes. Please give me reply if it is over. Send the WhatsApp. We will having the group of WhatsApp. Please send your program there. You want odd number. Okay. Yes. ल- लक्षात घ्या तुम्ही केला असेल प्रोग्राम इट्स ओके यू सेंड मी आय विल चेक इट एव्हरीबडी आणि तुम दोन डिव्हिजन मध्ये एक आणि एक टू ओनली टू स्टुडंट शेअर युअर स्क्रीन within the 5 minutes. Okay, I'll make you co-host A division from one student and B division from one student. Okay. Yes. Tell me who is interested to share your screen. Yes. Please give me reply in within the second. Please make it fast. Please give me reply who want to share your screen within the 5 minutes. Yes. Please give me reply the question. Anyone wants to share your screen? Yes. Himani, Trupti, Chaitali, Priyanka, Aishwarya. Yes. लिसन केअरफुली तुम्ही जोपर्यंत रिप्लाय देणार नाही तोपर्यंत मी पुढच्या प्रोग्राम कडे वळू शकत नाही प्लीज गिव्ह मी रिप्लाय विदिन दी 5 minutes. Yes. Who want to share your screen? Yes. Anybody interested to share your screen? Tell me. Yes, give me reply. Only one change is here. Okay. I will write it here. Even odd number. Okay. File. New file. Okay. I'm telling only one logic here. Even number. Take it number. Number. Enter a number. Okay. Next. Num modulo of 2 is equal to 0. Okay, this much logic of even odd number. Okay, if you take 12 divided by 2, then what is the remainder here? Yes, Aishwarya, what is the remainder of 12 divided by 2? Yes, Aishwarya, what is the remainder? Vaishnavi,
0.
0. Yes, then this number is even number, 12 is even number. Yes, but 13 divided by 2, what is the remainder? 13 divided by 2. Yes, right now,
1.
someone's 1. Yes, this is the even number or odd number? Odd number. Okay, this much logic is here. Do it compulsory within the 5 o'clock. Okay, 5 o'clock and send me in our WhatsApp group, ESL 3 lab. Okay, ESL 3 lab in this group, our group, send it ESL 3 lab, whatever you are doing here. Okay, and also I will send you 2 program of today's based on today's session. Okay, yes, then we will move for our next program. Yes, suppose your second year marks, score marks is 80, 15, okay, 90, 90. Then what is the output of your score? Congratulations, it is very nice mark. Yes, then we will go for our scorecard program. Okay, yes, we will move for our next program. All of you, even on number for your practice purpose, do it after our session is over. Okay, you are having the enough time, 5 o'clock. Okay, today only 5 o'clock. Okay, yes, everybody understood. Okay, then we will move for our scorecard program. Score is equal to 5. Save as what is the name of file? Party.py. Okay, save this. And what is the string? Convert string to int. What will be take here? Yes, tell me. Yes, string into integer. What will be take here? Score is input from only integer. Okay, लक्षात घ्या. Score हा नेहमी integer format मध्ये असतो. Okay, yes, all of you understood this much part? Yes, yes or no? Okay, then we will convert string into integer. We will take int input, enter, your score. Okay. Then if score is greater than is equal to 50, then print you have passed the pass the exam. Okay. Mute yourself. Mute yourself. Please mute yourself. Vaishnavi, mute yourself. Vaishnavi. Vaishnavi saw me. Vaishnavi saw me. Vaishnavi saw me. Your last instruction for you. Otherwise, I will remove you from the meeting. Okay. Please, I'm kindly request you. Please mute yourself if session started. Okay. Kindly request you. Please mute yourself i- in between session because interrupted between our the session. Okay. Don't do like this. Okay. Yes. Print, you have passed the exam. Okay. Next, print, congratulations. Congratulations. Okay. Congratulations. Okay. Save this file and run it. Score 89. Okay. You have passed the exam. Okay. Then after, okay, okay, run it once again and write it 49. What happened? Run it this line? No. Why? Because we will not write it here. Score is less than 50. Yes. We will write it here. Score is less than 50. No. Then you write it here. If, once again, if score is less than is equal to 50, then indexation is compulsory and then print sorry you have failed the exam. Okay. Yes. Save this file and then run the module. Then write it 49 here. 49 here. Then what happened here? Sorry, you have failed the exam. Okay. Like this. But I don't want to write it here score less than is equal to 50. Directly we will write it else part and execute once again this statement. Okay. Yes. Then we will write it once again the program here. Suppose we will run it and we will write it 105. Okay. Then what happened here? सगळ्यांनी लक्षात घ्या, 100 पेक्षा पर्सेंटेज जास्त कुणाला असतं का? आहे का कुणाला असं की 100 पेक्षा जास्त स्कोर मिळालाय? येस. इफ पर्सेंटेज मध्ये कुणाला आहे का? नाही. 110, 123 असे स्कोर मिळतात का पर्सेंटेज मध्ये? येस, ऑल ऑफ यू.
No.
नो. ओके. मीनाक्षी, व्हेरी गुड. ऐश्वर्या, व्हाय यू आर सो सायलेंट, डोंट नो. ओके. मग 115, 120 असे स्कोर असेल तर आपल्याला काय प्रिंट व्हायला पाहिजे? ऑल ऑफ यू. येस, काय प्रिंट व्हायला पाहिजे? सायली, प्रियंका. काय प्रिंट व्हायला पाहिजे? काहीतरी एक तरी प्रिंट होईल ना, एक तरी स्टेटमेंट. येस और नो?
You are failed the exam.
Yes. After you less than 50, you have failed the exam. No matter. But 120, 123 score is happen here percentage. Then your percentage is invalid. Yes. Invalid marks. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
or no? Yes. Okay. Then we will write the program for invalid statement also, and you have passed the exam also, and you have failed the exam also. Okay, using if else ladder. Okay. Yes. Statement, we will move for our next statement, if else ladder. Okay, all of you listen carefully, also see here clearly. Okay, here write it. Score is greater than 100. Okay, and then or is our logical operator. All of you see in C language, and score is less than 0, less than 0. Okay, then you write it here. Score is invalid. Okay, score is invalid. Okay, and then next, else if write it. Score greater than is equal to 50, then you write it here. Print you have passed the exam. Okay, then else, all of you see here, indentation is important. Okay, you have failed the exam. Okay, save this file and run it. Run the module. Okay. Restart this. Okay, wait for a minute. we will open it once again. Open it, okay, and then run the module. What is here? 105. Score is invalid. Okay. Then run the module. Write it 3-5. Sorry, you have failed the exam. Okay. Then run it once again. Write it 89. You have passed the exam. Okay. Here is 3 conditions satisfied. Okay. Yes, all of you understood this program? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then you write it this program in your notebook or take it screenshot of it. Yes. Then we will move for our next looping statement. All of you take it screenshot of it. Yes. Okay. Then we will move for our next point. Our next point is our looping statement. Okay. Okay. Yes. We will move for our next point. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What is the looping statement? Yes. We will done it repeated task once again, once again, once again. How many times you don't know. Okay. Then looping statement exited because our reducing the coding part in our decision making. Okay. If suppose I want to write hello world 5 times, then we will use it simple while loop and print it hello world program in 5 times. Okay. Yes, we'll reduce the time, reducing our time, cost, and repeated code. We will write it. We will reduce this much time of using the loop statement. Looping statement are used for repeated tasks multiple times. Okay. Then we will use for loop and while loop for Python. Do while loop same as a while loop in Python work as a while loop. Okay. We will see its looping statement because looping statement are used for reducing our task multiple time. Okay. We will reduce our task repeated task. Okay. We will move for our program of looping statement. new file, file save as first, save as save as, first of all, we will see the command line also, because command line is also important. Okay. And सगळ्यांनी लक्षात ठेवा, पायथॉन प्रोग्रामिंगला तुम्हाला एन्व्हायरमेंटल सेटअप करायची काही गरज नसते, ऑटोमॅटिकली एन्व्हायरमेंट सेट होतो. ओके. बट इफ यू आर स्टोरिंग दी प्रोग्राम इन डॉक्युमेंट, तुम्ही त्या डॉक्युमेंट मध्ये स्टोअर करत असाल आणि पण डॉक्युमेंट मध्ये गेल्यानंतर तुमची फाईल, पायथॉनची फाईल जोपर्यंत तुमच्या एन्व्हायरमेंटला सेट होत नाही तोपर्यंत ती तुमची फाईल एक्झिक्यूट होत नाही. ओके. सगळ्यांनी लक्षात घ्या, एक फोल्डर करा पायथॉन प्रोग्राम आणि सगळे प्रोग्राम पायथॉन प्रोग्राम मध्ये एक्झिक्यूट करा. ओके. एक्झिक्यूट केलेले पाथ सेम ठेवा. तुम्ही डॉक्युमेंट मध्ये सेव्ह करत असाल प्रोग्राम तर सेम पाथ ठेवा जोपर्यंत करताय तोपर्यंत. ओके. Yes, all of you understood this much part, because sometime you run the program but it is not executed, and also error पण दाखवत नाही आणि एक्झिक्यूट पण होत नाही म्हणल्यावर तुमची फाईल कमांड लाईनला इंडिकेट करत नाही, असं होत असतं. ओके. ऑल ऑफ यू अंडरस्टूड दिस मच. ओके. We will move for our program. Where is it? पहिल्यांदा लक्षात घ्या, weak access. Okay. Here is available path: student, app, data, local, programs, Python 3832. Then we will having the program document. Go here. Program, no, not available. Then we will go for program file. Then here is it available? No. Then what will we do here? Also not available. Okay. Then go here, Python program. Here is available our file. See here. Okay. Yes. Quick access. We will take it 3 program. Okay. Directly run it into command. Okay. First we will take this file partil, copy this and paste it here. Okay. And windows are open. Open it, CD, desktop, okay. Then run it party.py. What is our score? 45. Sorry, invalid score. Party.py, score 89. You have passed the exam. Then enter 105. Sorry, score is invalid. Okay. Understood? Understood everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. All of you try to execute command also and execute cell also. If you are practice 2 or 3 program, command plus ideally. Okay. Don't go ID editor. Okay. Go for basic ideally. Then we will move for our editor part. Okay. Dhoni, spider, whatever you want to execute, we will move for editor part, but you have execute basic program in ideally first and command line first. Okay? Yes, understood everybody? Yes? आणि सगळ्यांनी पाठ लक्षात ठेवा, विसरून जाऊ नका. तुम्ही मोबाईल वर करत असाल, इट्स ओके. इफ यू आर डुईंग लॅपटॉप, do it separate folder for Python program and then store your program in Python program and command line set the path where is your program. ओके, तुमचा प्रोग्राम कुठं असेल त्याचा पाथ द्यावा लागेल तुम्हाला CMD ला. लक्षात ठेवा. समजलं का सगळ्यांना? सगळ्यांना समजलं? ऋषिकेश, कृष्णा?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay. We will move for our next program, looping statement. They are having two loop, for loop and while loop. Okay. Yes. Ideally, okay, then file, new file, hash, while demo, okay. Count, I want to print 10 number, okay. 10 is equal to 10, okay. Nine. Okay, 10 number 1 to 10. Then what will we do here? Count is equal to 0. Okay. Then while count less than 5, then print am inside the loop. Print looping is interested. Okay. Then run, save this file, Python 3.8.32. Then we will change the directory desktop. We will save our file desktop here. Okay. Then save your file here. Save your file. dtyxp.py. Run the module. Why it is infinite loop? Yes, tell me why it is infinite. Because we will having the condition of infinite loop. Okay, less than 5. Save this file, run the module. Okay, we will here having the infinite loop of the statement. Okay, print it here 0 to 5, 10. Okay, 0 to 5 and less than is equal to 10. Then what happen here? Check it. Okay. Okay, no problem. Okay, we will change it here. Count. Okay, then print the count. Then count is equal to count plus 1. Okay, save this file, run the module once again. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, it will be print here. Count is equal to 0. Then what happen here? Run the module 0 to 10. Okay, all of you understood what will we do here? First, we will having the loop, infinite loop. Okay, we will print it infinite loop. They're having some of the condition here. No, but right now they are having the condition count is equal to 0, while count less than is equal to 10. Print the count is equal to count plus 1. Okay, all of you understood the problem statement here? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, wait for 10 minutes, 10 minutes, 10 minutes. Okay, 10 minutes break. Okay, we will come within the 10 minutes. Okay, 2:10 ला सगळ्यांनी जॉईन व्हा. ओके, लेफ्ट होऊच नका. 10 मिनिट्स ब्रेक घ्या, नंतर जॉईन व्हा. मी शार्प 10 ला स्टार्ट करणार आहे. ओके, लक्षात ठेवा. Hello. Hello. Me audible? Hello. Me audible? Hello. Me audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. We will start the session having 5 minutes. Okay. We will start the lecture. Okay. Yes. Send me anything.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes. We will start the lecture. Okay. But our next program, what is our next program? Print the reverse order. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 2, 1. Then what will we do right now? मला 10 पासून 0 पर्यंत रिव्हर्स ऑर्डर मध्ये प्रिंट करायचे नंबर. मी काय करणार आता? Yes. Write it here. What is our program? What is our statement? Write program to generate 10 to 1 value using loop. Okay. Yes. Count is equal to 10. I want to print 10 to 0. Okay. Then write it here. Count is greater than 0. Then count minus 1. Okay. All of you understood? This much difference in generate the reverse order. Okay. Yes. All of you understood this much part?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then we will run it the program 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. All of you understood this part? Then we will go for our for loop. Yes. Using for loop. Yes. Then we will move for our for loop. Okay. Windows are CMD. Open it here. CD, desktop. Where is your program? Save it. And TUI ex.py 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All of you see this output? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then all of you, I want to require your output of program, command line also, and ideally also. Okay. Cell also. Okay. Take it screenshot of 2 program, run it. and then you send it ESL 3 lab. Okay. Yes, all of you understood my point? Yes? Yes? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then our next loop, for loop. Okay. Hash, write a program to generate generate 1 to 10 value using the loop. Okay, then directly use it for I in range function, use it, and then 0, start range from 0 and 10. Okay, and print it I. Okay, all of you understood part, this much part? Save as yes. Boys side, anyone having any problem? Shubham, Aditya, Lakshman, Ruturaj, Suhas, Ganesh, yes. Sripat, yes. Sudarshan, yes. Anyone having any problem? So, .py, save this file and then run this module 0 to 9. Why? Indexing start from 0 to 10. Yes, but I want to print 1 to 10 value. 1 to all 10 value I want to print. But here is only 0 to 9. Yes, all of you. This is our correct output. सगळ्यांनी काहीतरी बोला. हे करेक्ट आउटपुट आहे का आपलं?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Why it is correct? 0 to 9. Only I will print it 0 to 9. But what is our problem statement here? 1 to 10. Yes. What is the error here? Yes. But then you write it here 0, 1 to 10 and save this file and then run the module. Then what happen here? Check it 1 to 9. Why only 1 to 9 print it here? Because in our for loop in Python, last statement goes 1 minus before. म्हणजे तुमचं एक स्टेप मागे येणार तुमची फॉर लूप मध्ये. पायथॉन मध्ये, सेपरेट पायथॉन मध्ये तुम्हाला इथे 11 प्रिंट करावं लागेल. तुम्हाला आउटपुट 10 प्रिंट व्हायला. ओके, आता तुम्हाला 1 to 10 प्रिंट झाली. आपला आता आउटपुट करेक्ट आलं का? येस.
Yes, ma'am. No, correct.
Now it is correct. Why? Because Python मध्ये तुम्ही for loop last point 0, it is our starting point and stop point is our 10. But stop minus 1. Stop minus 1 or almost all statement in Python for loop stop minus 1 हे होतं पायथॉन मध्ये. समजलं का तुम्हाला सगळ्यांना? स्टॉप मायनस 1 होतं म्हणून तुम्ही 10 मायनस 1 होणार. मग काय प्रिंट होणार? 9 प्रिंट होणार. समजलं सगळ्यांना? ऋषिकेश, ऋतुराज, सगळ्यांना समजलं? येस. गणेश, Ganesh, Sudarshan, where are you? सगळ्यांना समजलं का? शुभम, समजलं असेल तर पुढे जाऊया का? ऐश्वर्या, रोल नंबर 14, A14.
Yes, ma'am.
समजलं? Start from 0 but end in minus
Yes,
1.
ma'am. Understood.
Yes, okay. Then we will print it 10. Reverse order 10 to 9. 10 to 0. Then what will be? Write it here. 11, comma 1. Okay. Then save this file and then run it. Run it. Run this program. No. Why? Why it is not run? Because in Python, start point is always start from 0 to end point is 10. Okay, all of you understood this much part. We will not arrange in the end with start and start with end. Okay, range is almost fixed in for loop, our range function. Okay, 0 to 10. Okay, only reverse order you print it using the while loop. Okay, all of you understood? Yes. Yes. And yes, I will give you the two program of if else ladder program. You perform it practical and send the ESL 3 lab. Okay, I will give you the program of one if else ladder. Okay, I will give you only one program and perform the practical. Okay. Today's session we will see control structure. Yes, all of you understood all program. Yes. Yes, all of you understood all program we will learn today's session.
Yes, ma'am. Understood.
Okay. Anybody having any doubt? Yes. We will see the control structure. Make it some of the decision. Perfect decision. We will take some of the decision of the any condition. Then we will take the if statement, if else statement, and next if statement. Okay. Then we will move for looping statement. Looping statement are used to repeat a task multiple times. Okay. If for simple uh, in our in our bucket. Okay. In keep filling water inside the bucket. If it is full, then what happens? Water go outside the bucket. Okay. Yes, keep filling the bucket with a mug and water while it is not full. Okay. Then for loop and while loop. Using for loop, we will see for loop and while loop and nested for loop also. Here, next we will move for Python function. They're having the 4 types of Python function. First one, built-in function, user-defined function, lambda function, and recursion function. Okay. Then we will go for our function point in our next lecture. Keep practice the simple program, if else and if else ladder statement. Okay. Then we will move for our functions program. Okay. Everybody understood what is our next point? Python function. Okay. Everybody practice it perfectly. Okay. Yes. What is Python function? We will see our next lecture. They're having the so much program in control structure and looping statement. We will see it step by step in our lecture. Okay. Yes. Today's session. Anyone having any doubt? You are having 10 minutes to discuss our doubt. Anybody having any doubt? Free to ask. Then we will move for our attendance. And please send our WhatsApp group ESL3 lab, all CR A and B division. Listen carefully. In right now we will send our one homework problem statement, all of you in ESL3, and all of you keep it in mind, all program if you are doing, take it screenshot of it and send it into only ESL3 lab. Okay, because I am also easy to check your program. Okay. Yes, all of you understood? Yes. Take 5 minutes and tell me whatever your doubt in today's session. If you are having any doubt, free to ask. Okay. Then we will move for our attendance. आणि लक्षात घ्या, एरर तोपर्यंत येणार नाही तोपर्यंत प्रोग्राम मध्ये परफेक्ट होणार नाही. यू देत एरर आली तर वी विल सॉल्व इट इन. समजलं? एरर येऊ देत. प्रोग्राम मध्ये जोपर्यंत एरर येत नाही तोपर्यंत प्रोग्राम मध्ये परफेक्ट होत नाही. लक्षात घ्या. पण सॉल्व कराय तुमच्या मनापासून. तुम्ही मन लावून सॉल्व केला प्रॉब्लेम स्टेटमेंट, आपण सॉल्व करायचा प्रयत्न करूया तरच ते सॉल्व होणार आहे. लक्षात घ्या सगळ्यांनी. ओके. Okay, we will start our presentation. If take it 5 minutes, I will make for 5 minutes. Somehow having any doubt to ask. Okay. Okay. Then we will start our presentation T by A. First, we will take T by B. T by B. Start your presentation. 1,
Present, ma'am.
2, T by B. B. T by B. All of you listen carefully. We will take T by B. Then we will move for T by A. Okay. 1, present. 2, absent. 3, present. Okay. 4,
Present, ma'am.
5, 5, 6,
Present, ma'am.
7,
Present, ma'am.
8,
Present, ma'am.
9,
Present.
10,
Present, ma'am.
11,
Present, ma'am.
12,
Yes, ma'am.
13,
Present.
14,
Yes, ma'am.
15,
Present, ma'am.
16, 16 present, absent. Okay, 17,
Present, ma'am.
18,
Present.
19,
Present, ma'am.
20,
Present, ma'am.
21,
Present, ma'am.
22,
Present, ma'am.
23, 23, absent. 24,